Hey guys, here's Navar's Twisty Puzzler here. Right now I'm at science in the night and like it's darker than it seems. I can still see this stuff because on video stuff is darker. So I got these puzzle maps. Actually I think I'm going to unbox them inside. Using them. I opened the 2x2 up and like I thought it broke and stuff. There were like multiple pieces of plastic that were like, in different shapes, and then I eventually realized that it was just the caps and that the piece didn't break into fragments of plastic. So yeah, that's good, especially because these are discontinued. And the reason why I was outside was saying goodbye to one of my friends, because since I'm going to go to camp in 2 days, I was seeing my friends before camp, and one of them was leaving, so I outside saying goodbye to him, and I was going to do the unboxing there, but then I realized I shouldn't. Yeah, that's the thing, these caps keep falling off whenever I put the piece above it in. Like, the mechanism is already in, like, the top part of the piece separated from the main mechanism of the piece. Yeah. And that came off. I'll try to get it. So I saw that this like slides into here. There's the main piece, is the outer piece, and you have to take the cap off for slide in, and then yeah. So it literally wasn't able to go in because the cap was in the way. Yeah, that's why. Let's pop this back in. I had to make the tension really loose. Well, tension on one side. I think I loosened it about like 4 360-degree turns. So I'll take the cap off. Now I'll put this here. And now I'll just like slide this under. Okay, so it's not going in. Actually, I guess I'll have to take out the corner. Oh, that's coming out. No, the cap is coming off. Oh, dang it. Let's come back when this is done. There. No, actually, okay, now I'm doing first turns on it. They already fell apart. It's kind of weird. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh, come on. Only if I never dropped on the floor, it'd be way stabler. I might shove the glues back. In or something. Maybe armor screw, so it would be possible to take apart, but harder to, not really. Epoxy compound, definitely not, of course. Doesn't need an epoxy compound, though. The caps are falling off, not like a thin piece that broke. There, that's better. I'll be careful with it. And then it's catching again, no way. Yeah, it's okay. And this is a 3x3x3. It's like glossy, not like regular glossy cubes, like scratchy and kind of glittery. I think I actually saw some glitter. Yeah, there's some glitter that fell off before. To draw, I got it from clearance on the cubicle before it ran out. Like right before it ran out, and then I found the other two on Amazon. I got this in March 2019 unboxing, which is literally just a bunch of clothes from clearance. So yeah, that's the set of 3, and they're all discontinued. Just get them on Amazon before they run out, if you want to get them for your collection, or if you want to get them for whatever reason. The Amazing Cubes Carni heads. And now there's a screwdriver set. That was a bad idea because the 2 Oh no, wait, that's. Oh, that's just. That's just thing that keeps on falling off the 3. So yeah, the screwdriver set. Okay, so this was all in the cubicle, the 45 in one set, but then it discontinued. These are the 32 in one set, 31 in one set, then that got discontinued. This is amazing. Yeah, but you can still find it on Amazon. It's actually listed the price on the cubicle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, there's 6. 6 times 7 equals 42. Or like these things. Oh, these are actually different heads. I don't even know actually. This is so cool though. And then when he cools it, yeah. And then the other one is like this, like thingy, and like the thing on the top falls. So this is the other one. Like this stuff on the top always falls off. But the bottom ones are fine. Because basically like the bottom ones are under this and it's like this so it stops and the top ones are under this. Then there's nothing like there's no wall like here so it doesn't go up to anywhere. Because the wall here is just the top row. This is from this set. And one of the so 2 of them aren't in here because one of them was lost in camp by a non-twisty puzzler who was like unscrewing and stuff. And the other one was this. I think I showed it to him first. So yeah, I won't do that next year. I mean this year. And then, also, these are way harder to get out. Yeah, it's like, this one's way more secure. Like high tech and stuff. This one was discontinued first and then the other one was discontinued. So yeah, just find this one on Amazon. It's fine. It costs like $10 on Amazon. $99 in the cubicle, so basically $15. Yeah, you can search up 45 in one purchase and screwdriver set on Amazon. Oh, this is cool. Yeah, it's really cool actually. Yeah, the set is really good. Way better than this. So, okay, and then for the other 3, search on Amazon, like the puzzles. Yeah, I think they're only discontinued from the cubicle, not in general. Yeah, they're only discontinued from the cubicle. Yeah, I mean read for the set. The set is only discontinued from the cubicle because the cubicle just stopped selling it. So you can get the like right. Oh yeah, so you don't trip the screws or whatever, but they discontinued it. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll do a checkerboard on this. Voice crack, whatever. And